Hey guys, I got some new discs from Lone Star today. These are the Houston. So go ahead and open it up. Oh wow, these things are pretty so far. 176. It's supposed to be a little bit more overstable than the Texas Ranger. It's got some fun yellows in it. This is almost like a purple blue. 175. 175, 176. I think this is the one I'm gonna bag. I do like that. Let's go ahead and get a tester on it and see what it's like.
Go.
Got the new Houston. This is in the Bravo plastic. Let's go ahead and toss it, see how it goes. I had the opportunity to throw these things a few times at League, and I really do like them. They are a touch more overstable than the Texas Ranger, which I really do like. It's a great complement to my bag. I don't throw the MIDI a lot, but I really like these Proto Houstons. I can't wait to keep throwing them. Pick them up at LoneStar.com today if you want some.